Assalamu alaikum, my dear friends. So, welcome back to International Opportunity Hub. Friends, my name is Akib Shahzad, and today we are going to discuss about the new generation of decision makers IRENA Youth Forum. So, this is going to be held on 16 April 2024. So, IRENA means International Renewable Energy Agency. So, the International Renewable Energy Agency fifth IRENA Youth Forum, the new generation of the decision makers, will convene in April 2024 in Abu Dhabi. United Arab Emirates at the margins of the 14th session, the IRENA Assembly from 15 to 18 April 2024. So the Assembly is the agency ultimate decision-making authority where heads of state, ministers and global stakeholders meet to discuss and advance the energy transition. So this 2024 IRENA Youth Forum will strengthen youth network and connect them with global thought leaders, government representatives and IRENA experts. So the global participation. The event strives for a global and balanced geographical representation of youth and highly encourage application from youth in NLDC, NSID and developing countries. Upon selection, full sponsorship including travel and accommodation will be provided for up to 35 participants. Application process. Interested youth between the age of 16 to 35 years can submit the application by completing the application form. So the deadline for individual application is 31st January 2024. So I'm going to apply for this program. Then simply click on submit your application. So my dear friends, this is the official application form. Please tell us a little about yourself, your first name, your last name. Then kindly indicate you are affiliated to any of the following, none of the above. Date of birth, email address, your country of residence. I'm from Pakistan. Your country of origin. Then please tell us about your engagement in promoting the development of renewable energy and sustainable development for all. So these questions are very important. On the basis of this answer, you will be selected for this program. Then you have to upload your CV. After that, I'm not a robot. Then you simply click on submit your application form. So friends, there is no application fee to apply for this IRENA Youth Forum program. So that is going to be held in Abu Dhabi. So that's a very great opportunity. If you are eligible for this program and you want to participate in this leadership opportunity, then must avail this opportunity and apply as soon as possible. 31st January is the last date. Share this video with your other colleagues. Thank you so much guys for your support. Take care. Allah Hafiz.